To create a calendar event, the first thing that you do is go to any forum. In this case, we'll just use this and we'll make a test, do a test here. What you do is you start a new discussion thread, and so right here you'll type in anything that you want. You can put links in or whatever. It's just like starting a regular thread. And then you would, oops, I don't want to attach files. What I want, of course, you can put in tags if you want. I'll just put in test for now. I'll put in test reports because there's an existing tag and I don't want to create a new tag. The thread's open to reply, sticky, whatever. Start new discussion thread. Now what you do is you come over here and you go to calendar menu, calendar add. Of course you have recurring weekly, recurring yearly, but just remember that the event you're creating really ties back to the original thread. So even if you do it weekly or yearly, the calendar event is going to tie back to the thread you started. So you do calendar add, and let's say you want to start it on, it's already the 4th, let's say you want it to start on the 2nd. And notice it says required, and this is optional, the end date. And then you just click calendar add. After that, you can go anywhere, and for example, we'll go back to the forums, and if you look down here, calendar events, you'll see that it is now listed. The test is listed. So this gives the forum that it's in, just like this one does. And if you want to go to the thread, that's where you click. So that is how you start or make a calendar event using the Xenforo software.